I'm Mike. I just got done skiing the Blizzard Latigo. 5 out of 5 for this ski. This ski is awesome. It's a 76 millimeter waisted ski, so it's going to be primarily a frontside ski. Probably for your advanced intermediate all the way up through your expert level skier looking to make short, quick, really snappy turns on the front side of the mountain. I really enjoyed the ski because it felt like it propelled me into the next turn. Once you lay it on over and you're getting ready for the next one, it just pushes you right into it, which is a lot of fun. So somebody that maybe used to slalom race but is looking for a little bit more versatile ski, this might be the one for them. Blizzard Latigo, 5 out of 5.